Realme Q2. Realme Q2 smartphone runs on Android V10 Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core, 2 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A55, processor. It runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 800 MT6873V chipset. It has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. Realme Q2 smartphone has a AMOLED display. It measures 160.9 mm by 74.4 mm by 8.1 mm and weighs 175 grams. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and 409p pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 20:9 and screen-to-body ratio of 83.38%. On camera front, the buyers get a 48MP primary camera, 8MP, wide-angle, ultra-wide-angle camera, 2MP, macro camera, 2MP, depth camera, and on the rear, there's an 48MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4200 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volt, and more. Realme Q2 smartphone price is likely to be 19,990 rupees. Realme Q2 is speculated to be launched in the country on October 13, 2020. As for the color options, the Realme Q2 smartphone may come in black colors. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.